Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine, and I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to disable your Discord account from your Android phone. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And now to disable your Discord account from your Android phone, you must first open the application. After you have opened the application, on the top left corner of your phone on the top you can see a button with three lines. Click over there and a certain interface you will open, and at the bottom of your phone you can see five options including the Discord icon, a person icon, a magnifying glass icon which is used for search, and at the red icon, and a Discord icon with a green label in it. So you need to click the Discord icon with the green label in it, right corner of your phone. Okay, let's click it. And after that you can see a bunch of options over here. You don't need to concern yourself much with these options. You just need to click the my account, the second one. Okay, let's click it, and there you can see at the bottom of your options, disable account. If you want to disable your account, you just need to click there. Let's disable this account. And in order to disable your account, you must first transfer your own ownership or servers that you own. Okay, let's transfer our ownership to my friend. Okay, let's go. And in order to transfer your ownership, just click on the top right corner of your phone, with the two buttons, and you can see all your online as well as offline persons who are connected in this server. And now we just want to transfer the ownership on this case. Okay, so let's click on the person which on to whom we want to transfer the ownership, and you can see on the first option there is a manage user option, and just click there. And at the bottom of the options you can see transfer ownership. Click there to transfer the ownership and click transfer. Okay, it will be transferred in a so few moments. Let's reopen the app again to see the transfer ship. Already it has been transferred. Now let's disable our account. Let's go my account again, disable account, and you need to hit the password for this case. Okay, let's hit the password. Next, and done. Let's disable. Okay, we have successfully disabled our Discord account. This is this easy to disable your Discord account, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for support, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.